So here it is, the MacBook Pro. So many of you have been asking me, is the MacBook Pro worth it? So I'm going to tell you my humble opinion right off the bat, but I think many of you know, those of you who have been on the channel for a while now, those of you who are premium at our channel, MacBook Pros are pretty much amazing. You've got great RAM, great gigabytes, great aesthetics, and they age very well. With this being said, this is a model mid-2020, and we've got also a model from 2015. We've got two models more from 2023. And they all work wonders. Now, what would I recommend? At least 16 gigabytes of RAM, at least 32 ideally if you're doing videos, photos, or editing. And other than that, great actual devices. The battery is pretty much amazing. You got here the model with the USB-C and the touchpad. Not anymore, with the touch bar also. But other than that, I think they are great products, and I strongly recommend them, to be honest. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of the MacBook Pros? Are you up and against, or do you really think that they are worth it? As always, if you've got any questions, let me know, and thank you very much for watching.